So lesson 8.4 is about simplifying rational expressions. So when we say a rational number, we mean a fraction, right? A rational expression is one polynomial over another, like a fraction. So it's still kind of talking about fractions. Before we start, tell me, which of these is correct? 12 over 16. 12 over 16. I'm going to simplify 12 over 16 as a fraction. You tell me which one's right and which one's wrong. I'm going to do it two different ways. 12, think of 12 as 3 times 4, and think of 16 is 4 times 4. I'm going to cancel 4, cancel, leaving me 3/4. Is that the right answer, or is this the right answer? I'm going to write 12 as 8 plus 4, and then I'm going to write 16 as 8 plus 8. I can cancel the 8s, giving me 4 over 8, which is 1/2, which is correct. Okay, hopefully you know this one. The correct answer is this one. Okay, and the point is, we don't cancel. These are called terms. When we add stuff together, we call them terms. We don't cancel terms. We cancel factors. All right, so we can only cancel stuff that's multiplied together on the top and bottom. We can't cancel stuff that's added together. Okay, and where possible, pause me and try and get to the answer before I do. Okay, the idea is to do as much as you can with as little as you can. So what we do is we factor the top and bottom. The top, can we factor out a common factor here, like the greatest common monomial factor? We can take out a 3. What goes inside? Just think backwards. 3 times what gives 3x? 3 times what gives -6? That's -2. And on the bottom we can take out a 6. 6 times what gives 6x? X. 6 times what gives 30? 5. Okay, and here we have multiplications, right, between. This is 3 times 2, okay, so that cancels. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. All right, because 3 times 2 has times between them. And this is actually it for the first one. X minus 2 on 2x plus 5. Stop, okay, we don't go any further. The bottom you can leave factored, the top generally we don't leave factored. Moving on to B, factoring these out. So the top, we're factoring out trinomials to get binomials. Nothing works there because I wrote the question down wrong. That should be a minus. So we need two numbers that add to give +4, multiply to give -5. So it's going to be 5 and 1. They're going to add to give a +4, so it's going to be +5 minus 1. We then factor the bottom as well. So that's got that non-1 number there, which is kind of annoying. So 2x, going to do that cross method. Factors of 5 go here, 5, 1. So 2x times 1 is 2, 5x times 1 is 5. That might work. 2x, 5x. We want these to add to give 3x. Is this possible? Yes. I need a plus here and a minus here. So that means back here we want a plus 5x and we want a minus 2x. Final check, that times that equals that, correct? Minus 1 times 5 gives -5, correct. So our factors are 2x plus 5 and x minus 1. And here we go, we can factor. So remember, these are multiplications in between here. So this cancels with this, leaving us with x plus 5 over 2x plus 5. All right, is that it? That is it. We stop. Okay, stop there. Don't go any further. Do not do this. X plus 5 over 2x plus 5. I guarantee some of you are still going to do it. Cancel the 5s because there are pluses between them. We don't do that, and then it does not become this. X over 2x. Cancel the x's, leaving a half. That is not right, okay? Do not do that. That's the answer. We stop here. Okay? C, I've actually checked the questions now. These are both correct. X plus 4. Factoring. Can we factor the bottom? Yes, we use our special product. Remember, we have special products like a squared minus b squared. So if we see that, that factors to a plus b times a minus b. So here we've got a squared minus b squared, which is going to be x plus 4. X minus 4. Okay, and on the top we can cancel. Okay, so this is on the top, it's kind of like this, right? It's that with a 1 out the front. So the x plus 4 cancels with x plus 4, leaving 1 over x minus 4. Stop. That's it. Same for D. What have we got here? Can we factor the top? Yes, the top is another special product. This is actually, if you can recognize it, it's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is a minus b all squared. So the top factors too, or you can just do it the other way. It could be like x minus 4 squared. This is the same as x minus 4 times x minus 4. If you do the cross method, you'll get x minus 4 times x minus 4, which is fine because you'll still end up with the right answer. On the bottom, can that be factored? Two numbers that multiply to give negative 24, add to give plus 2. 6 and 4. And they add to give a positive, so plus 6 minus 4. And look what happens. Got some cancelling. X minus 4 cancels with x minus 4. Remember, this is like two x minus 4s together. So there's going to be an x minus 4 left after that, which is going to equal x minus 4 over x plus 6. Stop. The x's do not cancel. Stop. That's it. Final answer.